Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we are going to discuss something about the quad menu. So quad menu is when we select an object and right click. As you can see the 4-pane window here, this is called the quad menu. Now on the right side on that menu, this is called transform. These are the same as here on the top panel. For example, the move, rotate, scale, select are the same buttons are here, the move, rotate and scale. So we can easily right click and can do the same work with our object. For example, I want to move my object, select the move, and now I can move the object. Same as right click, rather than going here, just we simply can right click and select the rotate, and we can rotate our object. And same as the scale, and we can scale them. There are many other features of quad menu. Just right click again, and as you can see this object, unhide all, hide by name, hide unselected, hide selected. We can hide our object. For example, I want to hide my selected object, so just click and hide. As you can see, my object is being hidden. Now we want to unselected all, so we can unhide all. We can hide unselected, so the selected object will be unhided, and all the unselected object will be hide. So this is another nice feature. For now I just unhide all. Now when we right click and the quad menu appears, now these two panels are pretty much the same for every object, but when we select some other kind of object, as you can see, it appears as a 4-pane window. These two panels are pretty much just changed for any kind of object. This can be according to the object, and these two panels are the default panels. It can be on any object, it can be the same on any object, as you can see. Now I shouldn't make a note that the hide panel is also here in the display panel. You can also hide the objects from this, and as you can see, here are the all, non and invert, and many other options. In this panel we can hide our geometry. We can hide the shapes, as there is no shape yet in our this scene. We can hide the lights. As you can see, these only lights are being hiding. We can hide the camera, we can hide the helpers, the space wraps, particle system and the bone objects. Now we just move to this hide panel. As you can see, here are the pretty same thing like this quad menu. We can same hide unselected, we can hide unhide all, and we can hide by name. For example, I hide this, and we can choose the any object we want to hide. For example, the ball, and the ball will be hide, so unhide all. Like the same, we can hide by hit. This is another feature. It is not available in the quad menu, and we can do that. Hide by hit, select this and choose the object you want to hide. This will be hidden. Okay, for unhide all. So this is a very nice feature. If you had more complex geometry and you had to select a particle object, or you had to work on a particle object, so you can do that. For example, I want to work